I want you to imagine standing on the surface of a planet. You look up at the sky, but there is no sun. There is no moon. There is no day. There is only eternal night, filled with stars that never set and never rise. The temperature is hundreds of degrees below zero. The atmosphere is frozen solid on the ground. It is the loneliest place in the universe. This is a rogue planet. We usually think that planets must orbit a star, like Earth orbits the sun. But astronomers have discovered that the galaxy is filled with orphan worlds that have been kicked out of their solar systems. They drift through the deep darkness of interstellar space, untethered to any star, moving silently like ghosts. And the scariest part? There might be billions of them. How does a planet go rogue? Solar systems are violent places when they are born. For 0.5 billion years ago, our solar system was a chaotic billiard table. Giants like Jupiter and Saturn migrated, pushing and pulling smaller planets with their gravity. Computer simulations suggest that our solar system might have originally had a fifth gas giant. But during the chaos, Jupiter threw it out. It was ejected at thousands of miles per hour, slung out into the void, condemned to wander the galaxy forever in the dark. This happens everywhere. For every star you see in the night sky, there could be dozens of planets floating in the black space between them. Some scientists estimate there are more rogue planets in the Milky Way than there are stars. Why should we be afraid of them? Because they are invisible. We find planets by seeing them block the light of their suns. But rogue planets have no sun to block. They don't reflect light. They emit almost no heat. They are stealth planets. A rogue planet the size of Neptune could be entering our solar system right now, and we wouldn't know it until it started reflecting the sun's light near Pluto. By then, it might be too late. It doesn't need to hit Earth to destroy us. Gravity is a delicate balance. If a massive rogue planet passed through our solar system, its gravity could destabilize the orbits of the other planets. It could pull Earth away from the sun. Imagine watching the sun get smaller and smaller in the sky every day. The temperature drops. The oceans freeze. The atmosphere turns into snow. Earth would become a rogue planet itself. We would join the fleet of the wandering dead. Or it could push us into the sun. Either way, the delicate clockwork of our solar system would be broken forever. But here's the twist. The twist that fascinates astrobiologists. Could there be life on a rogue planet? At first, it seems impossible. Without a sun, there is no energy. But a planet doesn't need a sun to be warm. It has a core. The center of a planet contains radioactive elements that generate heat for billions of years. On a rogue planet with a thick atmosphere, that heat could be trapped. Imagine a world covered in a thick layer of ice, 10 miles deep. On the surface, it is a frozen wasteland near absolute zero. But deep down, near the volcanic vents at the bottom of the ocean, the water is liquid. It is warm. It is rich in minerals. Life on Earth likely started in deep sea vents just like that. So, these dark, lonely worlds drifting through the void might actually be spaceships carrying oceans full of life. Aliens that have never seen a star. Aliens that think the universe is nothing but warm water and darkness. This changes how we look at the universe. We look for life around stars. We look for the Goldilocks zone. But maybe the majority of life in the universe isn't bathing in sunlight. Maybe the majority of life is hiding in the dark, drifting between the stars, completely unaware that the rest of the universe exists. It is a humbling thought. We rely on the sun for everything. Our food, our warmth, our happiness. But we are the exception. Most of the planets in the galaxy are alone. So, tomorrow morning, when you feel the warmth of the sun on your face, take a moment to appreciate it. Because out there, in the deep black, there are billions of worlds that would give anything for just one sunrise. I am your host. Don't fear the dark. Subscribe.